Good morning. How are we doing? Turn that off, that would help. So, hopefully you guys are all doing well. But something a little bit different today. As you can probably see, I'm looking behind the camera. But there's something a little bit different going on today. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, we were doing that blue van, which day is actually off. Getting the MOT on that now. And yellow van is on the ramp. That's the one that you see me cutting all the arches and yeah, all the way around, front and rear arches, the whole way around. So Guy's going to be making a little start on that. But as you may have seen in the last video, John's actually away. He's gone to Morocco, so he's having a bit of him time. And while he's gone, his van is in the workshop. So, hi John. Hopefully you don't mind. Also, she's quite high. Definitely a bit higher than mine is. So, let's put that bad boy to rest. And yes, also have my van in the workshop. So, mine is here not because it's broken. Because we're going to do something fun to it. And to do that, we need that van in here. And that van in here. Yeah, it should be good fun. So, first things first, you haven't seen John's van in a while. But she is on the ramp. She isn't actually this high. So, it's just a running joke of who's lower, me or John. So, but yeah. GTI seats. Obviously, you've seen the interior. There you go, GTI seats. Because I don't think I've actually done anything to this van since Bus Fest. In fact, still got the sticker. Well, all jokes aside, this van is in here for a very good reason. And to complete that, my van also has to be in here. So I'm going to get my van a little bit more in the right place, over the pit. Then I'll have a little bit of explain of what that thing's doing here and why. So, yeah, let me get this into place. We'll have a little chat. Alright, there we go. Everything's moved and all in place. I'm ready for activities. At some point I will do a video on all the other vans and what we're doing with what and why. Because there's a lot going on in the background. Also, we do have other plans for other things, which you might be interested in, but at the moment, keep it under wraps. But John's van, as you can see, she is on the ramp because I need to get underneath that, and mine's over the pit because also need to get underneath that. Now, that's because I'm taking the exhaust off of John's van and putting it on my van. I'm putting my exhaust on John's van. So, I don't know if you can remember what the exhaust sounds like. I'll show you mine and then show you John's. But super looking forward to having this. Now, I've just got the single exit. So, this is what mine sounds like. Not too sure if the exhaust was blowing in the camera there, but there's mine and John's. Let's have a listen to that. Hopefully the camera does that thing justice. Yes, this is a bit smoky in there, but that is the plan. The exhaust off of John's van will be going on my van, and my exhaust on John's van. Hopefully John doesn't mind any of this. Nothing special here. Take these 3 bolts out and then just hanger, and we've got hanger and a hanger. And then that will be off. Repeat the same on mine. Schwapperoony. But I'm not going to bother wasting your time watching that, because it's just undoing a few bolts and getting it off. So yeah, I might just put the camera down. There's no point in me doing a little time lapse. What do you want to see, a time lapse? Should I do a little time lapse? What do you reckon? Stick you over here somewhere? Just have a little looky-see. How about that? I'll do that instead, shall I? So I'll put you over here on a little time lapse and you can watch me taking this exhaust off. And hopefully Mr. Namo will be back in a minute. So, yeah, let's crack on. Well, here we are again. Another time lapse, another voiceover. And I can't use music because of copyright strike. But all I'm doing is removing John's exhaust and then going underneath my van to remove my exhaust. Well, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that. That didn't take too long. It's a little bit of faffing, but exhausts are off. John's exhaust, my exhaust. So that one now needs to go under there, and that one now needs to go under there, which is the next part. So that should be good fun. So I need to figure that out, get that lot all done did, and then we can get into the next little job. So I'm gonna put the camera down for now, just because it's easier, and once I've done that, I'll pick a camera up and you can see what's happening next. So, see you in a mo. Well, I honestly cannot remember where I left that off, but a few things have changed. Like, the exhaust is now fitted. So, John's van now has single tip. And my van is now double tipped. It was weird seeing my van with twins. Also, hello Dave. Namo is back.
My new transporter. Woohoo! Ta-da! Pretty good, that is.
So Namo's back from his MOT, and now we're gonna...
Great success.
Very great success. That van had a lot of work. A lot of work.
Appreciate that.
So, yeah, we're gonna, well, we've got a little bit of moving around to do. I need to get the new twin exit outside. We're gonna have a little bit of a play around, so we'll get this done and see you in a mo. And here we are again. So, this is just a little time lapse of me and Di removing John's wheels and putting them on these 18s. Did have a little bit of trouble getting one off the passenger side because it decided it didn't want to play games. So, did that. Remove the ball joint spacers, and I think that's it. So there you go, had a little bit of a watch and seen what's happened. As you can see, John's van looks a lot different than it did. She's a changing, so we have got a wheel or two that we have to replace because they were a bit broken. Don't think either of them two are holding there, so we need to get them done. But we have currently got it and just a spare, just for now, just till we get them done. But raised her up a little bit. She's no longer on 5s. I think she's on 6s now with 18 wheels. Raised the front up a little bit, and I think she sat at a lovely height, to be fair. Very happy. I don't think John's going to be very happy when he gets back from his holiday and see what we've done to his van. Well, there you go. Mr. Nambo's has had to change that flexi because it needs that for the MOT, which Dynamo needs to do tomorrow.
On my own.
I'm all alone.
I'm lonely.
Di's Mr. Lonely. Yeah, Di's been lucky enough that he's had me here for a couple of days this week. But tomorrow, he's all on his Todd. All alone.
So it means I can do fuck all day. How about that?
Just ride your scooter around all day.
Yeah. Stick on the trash, right?
So today was a successful day. That blue one went for an MOT. I don't quite remember how much more you've seen on that. Yeah, you did. We filmed it. We had to weld all those patches in the back, and then we had to put it all back together again. And then the front caliper seized. Oh, and the alternator decided to stop alternating. That was
before MOT.
literally just before we went for an MOT. Alternator was knackered.
Yeah.
And
For that.
yeah, that was a bit of a rush.
Up.
Hold. Down.
Up. Hold.
Hold. Down.
Up.
So there we go. That is now ready for her MOT tomorrow. She is also a 2-litre petroleum. So that will keep him out of trouble tomorrow.
Yeah, plugs and leads tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, plugs and leads.
And MOT.
Then an MOT. Yay.
Yeah.
Also, just a little bit of transparency. John's van is getting ready to be sold. In fact, it is actually already sold. That's why we're taking everything off of this thing. We're not stealing everything off of John's van while he's on holiday. We're actually getting it ready for sale. So wheels need to come off, put it on the 18s, raise it up a little bit. Ball joint spacers obviously need to come off because it's gone up. John wants those seats, his GTI seats. Originally they were in his hydro van, and then they came in here, and then he's going to put them in his cow. That's the plan for that. Yeah, the exhaust is unneeded because it's a little bit louder than a standard exhaust, so that needed to come off. So I swapped my exhaust, so this one's now a bit quieter and I am not. Subs need to come out, and the amps and all the other bits and bobs that are in the back. And then the van is getting sold to my dad, actually. He's buying that van. He asked if I had, or we had any vans for sale. And I said, actually, John's van's up for sale. And he said, I'll buy it only if you take all the lower end stuff off it and make it a bit quiet. Basically, yeah, take all the cool stuff off.
And he was like, oh no, Dad.
Oh no. So yeah, Di's actually having the subs, the amps.
For my new project.
Yeah, we do need to do a video on the new projects because there's, as I said earlier on, there's a few projects that we haven't really spoke about. And there's a few, yeah, might need to do a whole video on projects.
Little hint for people. The new project.
Ah, I wonder what you was getting then.
Which will be far from off-roading project. Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot you had them. We've also got, and I'm not going to get too close to it because I don't want you to see too much, but we've got a nice cool box of stuff over there that we also need to make.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that's also another project that we need to get into at some point. So, yeah, there's lots of stuff going on.
Little hint.
We'll leave that there. But there's lots of cool stuff happening in the background.
Yeah.
We'll have to do a little video and sort of explain a little bit maybe one day. But, like I said, that van's going to my dad. And he wanted all of the cool stuff taken off of it and made standard-ish. My dad gets a van that he can enjoy. In fact, he's the reason I originally got into VWs way back when. Ironic, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah. There you go. So we're not stealing stuff off of John's van just to be dicks while he's on holiday. We're actually, he knows about it, but we're being dicks anyway.
Yeah.
So I think that's a good place to end this video. Anything else? No, I think we've hinted at a few things. You rode your scooter.
Yeah.
Everyone's happy. So we're going to put the camera down, tidy up a few stuff and get ourselves gone. But thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed. If you have, please give us a massive thumbs up. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.